Hello everyone, this is Saranshi Sarakaisha Mittal and today I am here with the concept of video guest post. Basically under this concept, readers will be invited and they will come up with their own topic regarding to literary community or relatable community, for example publishing community, reading community, writing community or any relatable community. They will come up with their own research or experience, so their opinion are not influenced by me at all. So without wasting much time, let's see who is the guest in my channel today.
Hello everyone, so this is Meenu. I have a book blog, podcast and a booktube channel, all goes by the same name, Nerdy Bookarazi. So first of all, thank you so much Isha for giving me this opportunity to feature on your booktube channel. I feel really happy to do it. So today I would like to actually talk about the importance of an editor in every author's or writer's life. So this video is particularly for people who are, very much into writing, or you wanted to write a book, or you are actually working on it, or you are searching for a publisher to publish your work. I think this is going to be a very useful piece of information for you. Most of the writers do not know the importance of an editor. They feel like it is a luxury and they don't pay much attention to it because they feel like they are more self-sufficient and they can take care of all the editing and stuff regarding their manuscript. But the thing is, we are all humans and we tend to make some mistakes or we might miss something. So that is why it is always, better to go with an expert. So this editor you will be approaching has a lot of experience in the industry. They know what you are writing, they know for whom you are writing, and they know everything that is to know about the literary world. So when you are giving this expert the opportunity to edit your book is definitely going to be amazing. There is no doubt about that. You might feel like if an editor is interfering in the work of my book, they would manipulate things, they would change stuffs. I don't want anybody to interfere into my work, and I want to write what I feel like and I want to publish it that way. So it's all fine, and an editor is not going to affect your writing in any way, but they're just going to help you make it much more better. So you might also feel like, okay, so I can edit my own draft for as many times as I want, because I can even read it for 10 times or 100 times and edit it 100 times. But that's not the case. We make mistakes, we tend to miss certain things. So only an editor has the eye for all these kind of things. So when you give your work to an editor, it's like, getting a new makeover for your manuscript. So it's not going to change the core value or anything of your book, but it's just going to enhance the beauty of your book, and that gives you so much confidence on your manuscript if you're going and approaching a literary agent or a publishing house. So when you give your manuscript to an editor, what they tend to do is they not only read out all the grammatical mistakes and the typos, but also they'll look into your plot, the flow of the plot, if there is any holes in the plot and how it is moving forward. And also they'll also know the kind of audience you are writing for, and they understand their feelings. So they know whether writing this kind of a story or a scene or a plot will be appreciated by the audience. So they give you perspectives to actually make you a better author. So now you might feel like, okay, an editor is going to do some serious work on my manuscript and that is going to change the core value of my book. No, that's not gonna happen. It's just like getting a makeover for your manuscript. For example, if you're going to a spa or if you're gonna do a new makeover, it's not gonna change who you are, it's just gonna enhance your beauty. That's it. So that is the same thing an editor also does to your book. They just do certain changes and make your look more presentable, more beautiful, and enhances the quality of your manuscript. So when you hire an editor, what happens is is your chances of getting published, or your chances of getting a good literary agent, or your chances of your book being read by wide range of audience is much more higher. So when you give this beautiful makeover to your manuscript, when you go and actually approach a publishing house or a literary agent, you will feel more confident about the work that you have done, because somebody has looked into it and they have done some changes according to the publishing industry, and you feel more comfortable. So it's like, wearing a good and comfortable dress. So that's what an editor does to you, and it's very important to have an editor because it's going to do all the changes to your work. So if you do not know where to find these kind of services, I think Bound India is doing it, Mythas Service is doing it, and also Half Baked Beans is doing it. Or else you could find a lot of freelancers doing it. You should have to pick the one which suits you the best. So if you are someone who is going to do self-publishing, I think an editor is much more important for you guys. That is because sometimes most of the self-publishing authors do not use the editing services and they just publish their book. So once the book is printed and it's in the hands of the readers, they would be able to find a lot of mistakes here and there, and that is not very good for a book. So that's why it is very important for people who are doing self-publishing to edit their book perfectly. So I think if you're going to approach a self-publishing company, they have all these kind of editing services. You should definitely make use of it. So if you are traditionally gonna publish your book, anyway your book is going to be edited before it's being published. But if you already have edited your book, your chances of getting through the process is much more easier. So I do have a personal experience with an editor. So it was the first time I wrote a short story, and it was for my blog. So before publishing it, I got a help from my friend who actually helped me with editing my short story. So until then I thought whatever I have written was so very good and I was so proud of it. But after looking at the edited version of my short story, I was so very happy and proud of it, because my friend has done few magics over there that I was so very happy about it. So I was happy, I was proud of whatever I have written, and I felt more confident as a writer. So I want you to have that kind of an experience, and that's why I insist you to actually find an editor and get your work edited, because it's going to do all the difference to your manuscript. So I hope these piece of information and insight was much more useful for you guys, and I think you would make use of it and bring about the best versions of your manuscript. So thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye bye.
Thank you so much to share your opinion, research and experience on this topic. You can follow this reader on their respective social media platform or contact through email. Let me know in the comment section what's your perspective on this topic, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. I will come up with new bookish content soon. Till then, keep reading and start imagining.